fast one.
Hello folks, welcome back. Another cooking video for you. How to cook cinnamon buns. Hope this video is educational to you. And please subscribe. Here are the cinnamon buns we got going. We're rising it now. Alright, stay tuned. We'll show you how we made this. Okay folks, we put more oil here. We got our cinnamon here.
The last of
And the last of it, we're gonna make, what is that?
a little bit of cinnamon buns.
Cinnamon buns with the last one. You need brown sugar and cinnamon and butter. Okay, Avril's gonna show us with the last
It'll just make a little one. This ain't lots, but
yeah, then they can know how to make it. When they make the dough from the super
snacky snack.
fluffy buns video, they can make.
Yeah, I just copied the recipe. It was really good.
Yeah.
No fail.
Yeah, she's gonna show us how to make. She's oiling her. What's that called again? Roller?
Rolling pin.
Rolling pin. Rolling pin.
My granny gave me one. Connie gave me
Oh,
one.
nice. She oiled it down here. You oiled that too?
Yeah.
She oiled her dough and her rolling pin and her counter. Yeah.
Kind of want to get a square.
Okay.
Get all the bubbles out. My square's going funny. It's alright. Okay.
Just how you think you'll do it, it'll just work out. You go with your gut feeling.
That's perfect, actually. See?
Just go with your. Yeah.
Now, my hands are clean.
Yeah.
And this is room temperature butter.
Yeah. That's how you do it, eh?
Oh, yes. Nice
How to make cinnamon buns.
layer of that. Now, brown sugar.
Brown sugar going on, folks.
It's actually golden yellow, whatever.
Oh, looks good, looks good.
Okay.
Got some on there to work with for now. Leave a comment in the comments. See if
You can put raisins.
any raisins.
You can add raisins like if you want in the middle.
Yeah, if you want.
A lot
Okay.
of people do. Yeah, but
Okay.
I buy raisins.
And the cinnamon's going on. How to make cinnamon buns.
Now I'm gonna start pulling.
Yeah.
First you get your roll on.
Yeah.
Then you'll start rolling and kind of pulling.
Rolling and pulling.
Gently. You gotta be gentle, man. Okay. See, we got a log.
Yeah.
They call it a log when you
Yeah.
bake. When I was in baking school.
Yeah.
Put some butter.
Butter.
Some
Yeah.
butter. Some better.
Yeah.
Like Michael says, better. Put some better.
Put some better. Butter, I meant.
And better. Okay, a second. Okay.
Okay, folks, right there. She's ready to dice.
Oh, this ain't the knife. No one used serrated.
Okay.
You need some something sharp when you're doing that part. Okay, here we go. And you want to butter your knife.
Butter your knife.
Gents, don't go down. Okay.
To slice and dice. Oh, cinnamon buns, folks. Michael and Avril style.
Cute little cinnamon buns.
Oh,
Hey,
oh,
don't
sorry.
touch it.
Oh,
Don't touch it.
yeah, just come on. I was trying to help.
Now your pan.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. It's okay if you make a mess, because if you ain't making a mess, you ain't cooking.
There it's going on,
Yeah.
folks. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. You gotta let this rise too, Avril.
Yes, oh yes.
Okay.
Important thing. So you want it to...
How to make cinnamon buns.
We forgot to pinch the ends. Oh well, it's still gonna work. Either way, see how it comes off?
Yeah.
You pinch.
You work
Pinch
with it.
the ends,
It's
yeah.
all about working
Pinch,
it.
pinch the ends.
Yeah.
Pinch your ends. Pinch.
Cinnamon bun.
Pull
Mm.
it.
It's gonna be so delicious.
These are cute, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
You got her. You got it. You know what you're doing.
Pinch the ends. Of course I do.
Coming along, folks. Education video for you so you can cook cinnamon buns at your place. Children will love this recipe.
Oh yes, when it's done, I have to show you what to do when it's done, because you gotta flip it over.
What would you show them?
When it's done,
Yeah.
because there's juices at the bottom from
Yeah.
the butter and brown sugar.
Yeah.
As soon as I take it out, I flip it over on a pan fast, so the juices will drip from the top to the bottom.
Oh, like base it?
No, flip it.
Oh, okay,
When
okay.
it's done.
Okay, I see. Yeah, I know now.
Like how you would flip a pineapple upside down cake, like that.
Okay. All right, folks, we'll let it rise now. Okay, folks, the buns has been rising for an hour. How to make cinnamon buns. Michael and Avril style. Avril's putting more cinnamon buns. Yeah, the buns are rising for an hour. Always preheat your oven. Yeah, thank you to my mom, Florence, for the loves. Thank you, Mom. Love ya. The oven is at 350. Preheated. Always preheat your oven. Yeah, cinnamon buns went in, folks. Okay, folks.
Check it first.
It's been 25 minutes.
So you can lift it up, see?
Okay.
You can lift it.
Okay.
Nice and brown, yeah.
Oh,
so
nice.
We wanna,
Oh, so what
now
that
we're
means?
gonna broil it, and we're just gonna brown the top a little.
It's done?
It's done, but we're
Oh.
gonna brown the top. Then we're gonna come back.
Okay,
and flip
she's
it
gonna
over.
broil it. She turned it from.
Just to brown it a little bit. We'll be back
Okay,
in 1
the
minute.
bottom is good. And we turned it to the top, and it's right up. Again, always preheat your oven, and when you turn it brown it from the top, watch it, it'll burn. So sit there and watch it till the top goes brown, and it'll be done. All right, folks, it's been 2 minutes.
Wow.
Oh, the brown is perfect. Okay, Avril's gonna do this method so all the cinnamon juice goes on top. Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Oh, nice.
And that, don't.
Oh, it's not even hot. Yeah, all the
Done. Here.
so the juices. Yeah. Okay, folks, the
Move.
ice and sugar is going on.
Wow. See, just put on there.
Okay. That's her little. Okay, right there. Icing sugar.
Mommy, look at that cute little bun.
Nice.
So cute. Yeah. Okay, it's very hot.
All right, folks, that concludes our video. How to make cinnamon buns.
It's super hot.
Let's try it.
It's hot.
It's not bad.
You don't listen.
Mmm. Oh, it tastes crunchy. I taste that cinnamon. Looks fluffy, folks. Oh, look at that syrup. Mmm.
Is it good?
Mmm. It's real good.
For real?
I don't want to say the bad word. Like, it's good. Yeah, it's beautiful. Oh, how to make cinnamon buns. Hope this video was educational to you and helps you in the kitchen making cinnamon cinnamon buns. Yeah. All right, bye for now. What's that called?
Cheese buns. Cheese buns. You can cut it and make a sandwich even with it.
Oh yeah, cut it and make it sandwiches.
I think I'll do
What's it called, that twisty thing?
cheese bun.
Cheese bun twirly.
Bun.